All right, so today we are reviewing the new lenses by Life Art Vision. They came in 3 different colors I ordered. I thought I'd get some clear ones, hey? Let's see, do they match? Yeah, they match, okay. So I got some clear ones, because why not? Maybe you want to wear your Ray-Bans at night to record something, and you don't want those other ones. And I got a dark pair as well. All right, this is a dark pair with a bit of a blue tint, where the original ones have a bit of a green tint. Just a little disclaimer, when you are putting these in and out, you do have to be really careful. This is actually my second pair of glasses. So I have broken them before when putting too much pressure on the right side of the handle. So be really careful when changing lenses not to put any pressure at all on the actual handle itself. You're meant to put pressure on the right top side of the inside of the lens, and you should push them down. Oh, it just come out. That was actually a lot easier than I thought. Then the same, push pressure on the left side. And there we go. So those are the original size. Now look. Hey, meta. So what if it still works? Hey, it does. Now I just look like one of those weird guys that wears glasses with no lenses in them. All right, I'm gonna try something different here. I'm gonna try these slightly blue ones, the right side. Now these ones, when you put them in the opposite side, right? So you push them in like this. Okay. Yeah, I've got one side in. Now let's go for the other. All right, and I'm into once again. There we go. All right, now, gonna come with these anti-fog wipes. Now, these lenses in the picture, I'm pretty sure I ordered a blue, and they look white. These are the ones that are meant to turn slightly blue in the light, so going in full white now to see how blue they're gonna get. I just stare right into the sun there, right? What do you think? I feel like I'm Iron Man, or like, you know, Robert Downey Jr. So you can be the judge of that. Honestly, I've heard mixed reviews about the ones that change color. I think there's certain, like my friends that told me that they've got the Ray-Ban ones. They regret them slightly. They're changing. Maybe not as like, when you're in the dark, you notice it. Personally, I'd just probably stick to the dark ones or the ones that are just colored. Dark ones, good. Clear ones, if you want clear, sure. These ones, yeah. But as you can see, that's how you take out the lenses. That's how you put them in. Still working, which is great. Got another little camera there, so. Yeah, no, look. Easy to take in, easy to take out, easy to change. I have some clear lenses now. Might try them out, give you a bit of that Clark Kent look. Now, I'm gonna pop these out again. I'm scared you now. All right, popped one out. I did read online, you might feel like you're gonna break them. Don't break them. Okay. All right, so I popped them out again. Now I've already put mine in. These are one of the darker black models. The original ones that you come with, they have kind of a green tint to them. These have more of a darker, almost a little bit blue. Now with them, I did come with some clear versions, and then these other clear ones that turn blue. Now, honestly, they don't turn like super blue. I will show you a video of them, but just to know what you're getting. Actually, they look pretty good. And that's my review of these Light Art Vision. I do actually prefer the dark lenses to the ones that come with the original Ray-Bans. So I will say that. Obviously, if you are looking to wear them during the day, it is really handy to be able to pop in and out these lenses. Once again, just be really careful in doing so. All right, I hope that's been helpful in teaching you how to change them and knowing that you can get alternative lenses for your Ray-Ban Metas. Thanks for watching. This is Carl Tomich Tech Reviews. We'll see you next time.